Hello guys and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to unprivate your TikTok account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So it's fairly straightforward and easy to do this. So all you need to do is you can hop on either your desktop or your mobile version, so it doesn't really matter where what platform you're on. So on the very top right you'll see your profile icon, so go ahead and click on it. And just below Live Creator Hub and just above English, you'll see Settings. Click on it. Now you'll see it straight away. So there's our privacy, so discoverability. You can see that we have our private account already on UnPrivate. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos, so your existing followers won't be affected. So it only needs to be a flick of a switch, and once that's green, that's pretty much a private account. And then if you unclick it, you'll get just a message asking if you want to switch it back to a public account. Just go ahead and confirm. Now, just a note, if you are a business account, you can't go private. Of course, you're trying to make yourself known there as a business, so it won't work. But yeah, it's that easy. But there you guys have it. That is how to private or unprivate your TikTok account. Hopefully it did help. If it did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.